Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is CNC. This is our CNC machine, unassembled, brand new in the stock, in our warehouse, with its gadgets and accessories for installation. As you can see right here, all accessories complete for the CNC. You could go for the metal, you also have the wood. All accessories working perfectly, brand new in the stock, probably available. In case you need one about this CNC, send us a DM. We're gonna appreciate you. Now after installation of one of our customers, see how it goes. See how your CNC works. I appreciate you partner. Send us a DM ourselves. Instant purchase, instant payment, instant delivery.